Pilgrim Baptist Bishop E. Randy Fraser will have to wait at least 2 more weeks before finding out whether he'll be eligible for bail and be released from prison. This after appearing in the Court of Appeal this morning in an effort to seek bail pending an appeal. Representing the Baptist bishop was Jairo Mangra, who told the appellate panel that he was attempting to get bail for his client pending an appeal notice. But the justices stopped him short after Mr. Mangra advised them that he had failed to produce written skeleton arguments for the court. He, however, advised them that he could proceed without them. But Justice Stanley John asked the attorney why should they depart from the rules of the court. Justice Abdullah Conte agreed, stating that when an attorney comes to court, he should come, quote, with a fully loaded gun, end quote. You may recall that just last week, Deputy Chief Magistrate Carolita Bethel found Fraser guilty of unlawful sexual intercourse with a minor and sentenced him to 3 years in prison. The act reportedly took place between July 2005 and February 2006. So why wasn't Mr. Mangra prepared?
Friday evening, our office was informed that the appeal will be held this morning. And even though I, on behalf of the convict, had prepared skeleton arguments, we just didn't have them filed and ready for the court this morning itself. And as you heard me say to the court, we could have them, the written skeletons, by this afternoon, because they have been prepared, but the court was not prepared to hear us, extempore in the circumstances.
The attorney also advised the press what his main ground of appeal would be.
The magistrate erred in law and fact in arriving at the decision that she did, that the defendant, the accused man, the convicted man, was guilty. You must understand that in the magistrate's court, the magistrate is both the judge of the law and the facts. Our position is based on the evidence that was presented in the court, which is recorded in the court transcript in detail. Our view, considered view, is that the facts, they do not support that conviction, that the decision of the magistrate. And so we say, the facts, the evidence then does not support her finding. And in that regard, she's wrong.
So how is Fraser doing in jail?
He has been doing quite well in the circumstances, actually coming to terms with his imprisonment, the conviction, which of course he has instructed us and we ourselves have determined was not a just decision. And consequently, we have appealed that decision to the Court of Appeal.
The matter has now been adjourned to Friday, December 16th at 10 a.m. Reporting for JCN News, I'm Sasha Lightbourne.